Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S5 versus the Porsche Macan. We'll dive into their performance capabilities, examining engine power and handling characteristics. Next, we'll explore their interiors, focusing on comfort, technology, and practical cargo space. Finally, we'll discuss their respective price points and help you determine which vehicle offers the best value for your driving needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the Audi S5 boasts a powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower for a truly exhilarating drive. The Porsche Macan, while still potent, typically starts with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 261 horsepower. The S5 feels more like a sports car with its lower stance, while the Macan offers a higher driving position and the practical benefits of an SUV. Both provide engaging driving experiences. Inside, the Audi S5 presents a sleek, driver-centric cockpit, emphasizing luxury and sportiness with high-quality materials. The Porsche Macan, being an SUV, naturally offers more generous rear passenger space and greater cargo capacity, making it more practical for families or larger loads. Both models come equipped with sophisticated infotainment systems and modern connectivity features. The Macan's elevated seating position also provides a better view of the road, a common SUV advantage. Considering value, the Audi S5 generally starts around $58,000, offering a compelling blend of performance and luxury. The Porsche Macan typically has a higher entry price, often exceeding $60,000, reflecting its premium SUV status. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a sporty coupe experience or the versatility of a luxury SUV. Also, for those looking to simplify their week, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.